guys, John here at 1984 Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing Baja Lobster tacos using the Weber Mastertouch. Here we go. We got our lobster tails here. These are about, I don't know, a little over 4 ounces a piece. I've already rinsed them off real good. We're not going to leave these whole, guys. I'm actually going to cut these in half, okay? So I'm just going to do one at a time, or just one to show you guys. I'm going to set this one over to the side. We're just going to take this one here. Let me do it where y'all can see it, okay? There we go. Take this one here, take our knife just like that. And we're just going to take it. Just like that, guys. We wanted to hear that crack. Make sure you got a sharp knife for that, guys, okay? Now we're just going to come up here and just make sure it's cut through. Cut down there. Just like that. And see, guys, it opens up that meat a little more. And it's got the little legs on here. I'm going to trim those off, okay? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take my thumb and kind of run underneath here. And I want to try to break this kind of freed up a little bit. So when we go to get the meat off of it tonight, there we go. Just like that, not all the way. Just enough to kind of fluffs it up, okay? Same thing again, I'm going to take my thumb right here and just kind of find that bottom of that and just run my thumb right through there to about the very end, okay? Then we're going to let it go back down. We're going to get a little shell, guys, so. Alright, let me get this trimmed up and I'll bring you back for the seasoning part. Alright, got them split open here. Got the little feet cut off. Take my thumb on the other side, you know, ran it up there, kind of loosened them up. All right. I'm going to be using a seafood test rub. I've used this before in other videos, but it's from Homemade Products, and it was sent to me to try out on seafood. It's a test rub, so I'm going to just try it on lobster today. I've never done lobster yet with it. Done shrimp, but never done lobster. So I'm just going to do a light little coating of this on there because a little takes a long way. There, just like that, guys. Just a little bit of seasoning on there because our Baja Sauce has got a little bit of it in there too. So I got the Weber Mastertouch fired up. Got it coming up temperature, guys. This is going to be a quick cook, so we're going to get these on there, and then we'll bring you back when we get ready to put them on there. Alrighty, we're out here at the Weber Mastertouch. Got our lobsters on here. We're running right about 350, guys. Go ahead and slide that on up there. I'm going to put this on the top shelf. I got the slow and sear in here. Normally don't use that for this, but it was available. So I'm just going to lay these right up here on this top shelf. Alright, guys, got them on there. I'm going to let these go for probably about 10 minutes or so, and then we'll check them. We'll bring you back. We're going to check these lobster tails out here using our Thermopin from ThermoWorks. See if I can get you in towards those a little bit. Alright, guys, we're going to check them and see what we got here. 27, 28, 29, so we're not there just yet. Well, not there yet, but they're starting to get a nice color on them, guys. So I'll bring you back here in just a few minutes. Now it's about down to 300. See how our lobster tails look here. See if I can get you in there for a better view. Raise you up somewhere and kind of get a. There you go. Kind of get a better view of them, guys. Yeah, so there we go. Now let's check them and see where we're at. 135. 36, 135, 35. All right, they still got about 10 more degrees to go. What I am going to do here is let me back this up there so you guys can see. I'm going to put these over some direct fire right here. Okay. okay? So we'll get some direct heat on these for a minute. And then we'll let these get to around, I don't know, around 145 and pull them off. So I'll next time we come in, we'll be inside getting ready to build these up. Tacos, all right? First off, I got this Baja sauce. I found a recipe for this online, guys, and man, it's really good. I'll leave a link down below, and I'll try to leave the recipe as well in the description box. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. I'm just gonna give it a nice little coating at the bottom here, kind of like that, just a little coating down at the bottom. And these are corn tortillas, guys, corn street taco tortillas. I just used them for, I just gave them a light fry, okay? So we did that, and now we got our lobster here, okay? And what I did, remember, I put my finger through there, loosened them up, so now I got these nice big pieces of lobster here, guys, okay? And I'll show you how I did this. Left one in the shell so you can see, okay? But you remember we took our thumb, so just take your thumb again, and you should be able to run it right down through there. You may have to loosen something up. But take your finger right down through there like so. And you got most of your meat out, guys, all right? So we're going to go ahead and just lay that in there. Nice big piece of meat, and get the rest of this out of the shell. All right, so we're going to go ahead and build up the rest of these just like that. And these little street tacos are perfect for this, guys. This really makes up a nice, generous little amount here. All right, so there's that. We got that part done. Now, I'm going to come back with a little bit of shredded cheese, okay? In each one of these, just a little bit. Now you can build these however you want to build them, guys. You can leave them just as they are and add different little condiments on top. But I like a little cheese on mine. All right, got a little cheese there. Now I'm going to come back with, I got some onion and tomato chopped up. So I'm just going to come back with just a little bit of onion here, guys, just a tad. Not a whole lot, just a little. See how I finally diced these. I want to show you, these are really diced up kind of small. So I don't want it to be overpowering, okay? Now we're going to come back with a few little wedges of tomato. I cut the inside of this tomato out so we didn't have any seeds or that pulp juice and everything. Just a little bit here, guys. Just a little bit of tomato. Not much, just a little bit. Again, you build these how you want. All right, you don't want any of this on there, don't put any of it on there. There, all right? And now we're going to come back with a little bit of that Baja sauce to put on top of these guys, all right? Just going to come back, let's do a little wave of Baja sauce there. Just like that. Back. Just like that. I'm telling you guys, this stuff is really good. This homemade Baja sauce is really good. It's a very simple recipe. The only thing I don't have in here the recipe called for was cilantro because I didn't have any. But I think it would even be better with the cilantro. All right, we got these built up, guys. Bring it right back for a taste test. All right, guys, we're done with this cook. Simple cook. We put them together. All right, take you all, let you see them. There you are, guys. Baja shrimp tacos. Yeah, buddy. All right. Let's do a quick review on these guys. We had 2 lobster tails, just a little over 4 ounces. Got them on sale at my local Kroger store. All right, it was like $5 for a tail. Got 2 of them, guys. We went out there, we cut them in half, put some seafood seasoning on there from Heaven Made Products, a test seasoning. Then we went out there to the Weber Mastertouch, put them on there, got them up to 145, pulled them off. Then we got some white corn tortilla shells, kind of give them a little crisp on them, some oil, put them together, put some cheese, a little homemade Baja sauce on here, guys, some tomato, fresh tomato, and some fresh onion on here, guys. Man, quick cook. Let's see how these taste. I'm ready. Which one do I want? I think I want this one right here. This guy right here. See See that, guys? And that big piece of meat. All right, everybody. Cheers. That was that was delicious. I'm gonna get another bite, guys. Memory card went full, so I apologize for that one. But I'm gonna get another bite of this. Guys, that was really good. The lobster's there with that seasoning, the lightness of that white corn tortilla that we used. The onion, the tomatoes there, the Baja sauce was there, had a good kick to it. Nothing overpowered each other. It was perfect blend there, guys. You really got to taste the lobster in there with the seasoning on it. Anyways, guys, I really appreciate y'all stopping by. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it, hit that like button, guys. Make sure you, if you're new to the channel, think about hitting that subscribe button down below. It doesn't cost you anything. Hit that bell notification, guys, and when it pops up, it's going to say all. Hit that all button so you know when every video I bring out comes out. Anyways, guys, I really appreciate y'all stopping by. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.